my wife has run away from home. What shall I do? May Allah make it easy for you. That's a really, really that's a really difficult situation. I was actually speaking to someone recently about a similar situation, and marriage is tough. It's a relationship between two people. It can get very, very difficult. May Allah make it easy for you. May Allah bring you back together if it's good for you both, inshallah. In regards to like what you should do, I think that this is a very wide topic. Like your context is your context. It's very difficult for me to give advice. I would say look at what you've done wrong. In relationships, trust me, there's always blame on both sides. So I would say look at what you've done wrong in the relationship. Think about what you need to change about yourself in the relationship. Have a discussion. Find out where you need to get to, find out what the issues are, involve mediation, maybe people that can help you in the situation. Do the different actions, like getting people that you trust, getting people from the family. A lot of this is being authentic. And I would definitely say to you that go and check out muslimmastery.com/happy. It's in the link for this video, right? Because that's talking all about relationships, and you'll learn a huge amount about relationships that you probably don't know, and it's very, very common that a lot of people don't know this.